Interior LED lighting enhances visibility, creates a personalized ambience, improves nighttime comfort, and gives your vehicle a stylish, modern appearance. Today's video is about top 5 best interior LED lighting that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Elia LED lights for car interior. Transform your driving experience with these RGB LED car interior lights, designed to add style and personality to any vehicle. Featuring a full spectrum of customizable RGB colors, they let you create the perfect ambience for every journey. The smart two-line design with 4 light bars minimizes messy wiring while delivering bright, even illumination across both the front and rear footwells for a clean, professional look. Control is effortless through the dedicated smartphone app, where you can adjust colors, brightness, and lighting effects, or use the convenient 3-button controller for quick access to music mode, scene mode, and power controls. One of the standout features is the built-in microphone, which synchronizes the lights with your favorite music, creating an exciting and immersive atmosphere on every drive. Installation is quick and hassle-free thanks to the USB-powered 5V design, requiring no complicated wiring. Compatible with most cars and trucks, these LED interior lights are an affordable and stylish upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's interior. Now our second product is Sprite RGB interior car lights. Upgrade your vehicle's interior with these high-performance RGB LED car lights, designed to deliver brighter, more vibrant illumination with 4 light strips featuring a total of 144 LEDs. The enhanced brightness provides wider coverage, while the DIY Music Sync feature automatically matches lighting effects to surrounding sounds, creating a fun and immersive driving atmosphere. Installation is simple thanks to the flexible, silicone-sealed light strips that can be easily hidden under floor mats for a clean, factory-like appearance. Their waterproof design adds durability and peace of mind, even if exposed to accidental spills or rain. Control is incredibly versatile with 3 convenient options: the Bluetooth smartphone app for Android and iPhone, a wireless remote, or the built-in control box. Choose from 16 million RGB colors, customize lighting effects, and personalize your ride to match any mood. Compatible with cars, trucks, vans, and boats, these LED lights are a stylish upgrade for almost any vehicle. Backed by over 10 years of LED lighting expertise and dependable customer support, they offer excellent value, reliability, and performance. Our third product is Just Hope interior car LED strip lights. Give your vehicle a premium custom look with this acrylic RGB LED interior lighting kit. Unlike traditional fiber optic lights, the acrylic light strips feature hundreds of bright LEDs that deliver soft, uniform, and vibrant illumination, making your car stand out day or night. The upgraded built-in IC chip enables stunning dream color chasing effects with flowing, dancing, and flashing animations, while also allowing you to switch to elegant static colors whenever you prefer. With access to 16 million colors and 213 dynamic lighting modes, it's easy to create the perfect atmosphere for daily driving, road trips, or holiday celebrations. Control is effortless through the smartphone app or included RF remote, letting you adjust brightness, colors, effects, timers, and animation speed with ease. The built-in microphone adds another level of excitement by syncing the lights to your music for an immersive in-car experience. Designed for universal compatibility, the flexible acrylic strips can be cut and shaped to fit almost any car, truck, SUV, RV, or boat. Complete with installation accessories and dual power options, this kit offers style, versatility, and excellent value. Now number 4, Govee RGB Smart Car Interior Lights. The Govee RGB car interior LED lights are an excellent way to personalize your vehicle with vibrant, customizable lighting. Using the Govee Home app, you can choose from 16 million colors or create your own unique lighting effects in DIY mode, giving your car a distinctive look that matches your style. The built-in microphone powers dynamic music mode, allowing the lights to pulse and change color in sync with your favorite songs for an exciting driving atmosphere. Smart App Control makes it easy to adjust brightness, switch colors, or activate music mode with just a tap. Its practical 2-line design connects all 4 light strips while reducing visible wiring, resulting in a cleaner and more professional installation. Setup is quick and straightforward using the included adhesive, support clips, and zip ties, while the protective rubber tubing helps guard against accidental water spills. Overall, these LED lights combine stylish design, reliable performance, and user-friendly controls, making them a fantastic upgrade for anyone looking to enhance their car's interior with eye-catching ambient lighting. And our last choice is Kvebdecar Interior Car LED Strip Lights. Enhance your vehicle with these app-controlled RGB interior car lights, designed to deliver a stylish and immersive driving experience. Before installation, it's recommended to test the lights and, for optical fiber lengths over 100 inches, add an extra RGB LED at the end to maintain consistent brightness. Once installed, the wireless app for iOS and Android gives you complete control over 16 million colors, 29 preset lighting modes, brightness, and animation speed, making it easy to create the perfect atmosphere for any drive. The built-in music sensor synchronizes the lights with the rhythm of your favorite songs, transforming every road trip into an exciting light show. Operating on a safe 12V power supply, these LED lights feature short-circuit protection, memory functionality, and a waterproof, low-heat design that is safe for passengers, including children. Powered through the cigarette lighter, they are compatible with most cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. Installed neatly into interior gaps, these lights add a premium ambient glow while keeping your cabin clean, modern, and visually appealing. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.